We're trying to get some ingredients because we're gonna bake a cake for someone's birthday. Now we're in PB Tech. We're looking for a speaker kasi walang stock.
Stuck ayaw niya.
Ganito yung gusto, girl. Mga gantong dalawahan.
Hindi ah.
Ang pangit, parang pang sinauna. Yung mga isang gano'n na isang mahaba.
Oo nga ay tayo double check ko.
Okay, and then tell them why you don't want the other one.
Kasi wala siyang 3.5.
What's 3.5?
The audio jack. Bluetooth, so may delay yung PC sa speaker. That's why I don't want.
It's the same. Gagana pa din
It's
yun.
not the same.
Gagana pa din yun.
It's not the same.
Yung i-boom mo nga, pwede naman yun, di ba?
Kita mo na, babae. Babatay. Ay, babatay.
Ay.
Tapos, ang tunog nanggagaling sa kaliwang tenga lang. Ano? Parang namamaril sa kanan, hindi ko naririnig.
Pa yan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Alam ba? This
Ito.
one?
Yan o.
Oh, mouse naman.
So, ibig sabihin, pagka binili mo siya, magiging 6 na lang. Ang galing. So, digital to.
Ah, you mean the label. Pati ba naman
Yun
yun?
yung may camera. Kasi 7 in stock ngayon pag may bumili.
Maybe. Thank you. Thanks a lot. How's your day so far?
It's good. It's very tiring, but happy.
Tiring? Why tiring?
Akala ko pagod maglakad ha?
But you like walking, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, may ano pala kami, may good news kahapon kasi he passed his driver's license. So he's fully, tawag dito?
He's fully driver.
He's on full license now. I bought another Frank Green, ang tawag dito? Lid. For him kasi he's been using mine for 3 months na. Hindi na kasama yung straw. So, pag bumili ka pala nito, ito lang yung mga ano. Brown na lang. Okay lang, boss. Kasi yung sa akin, guys, it's been around 2 years na. So, medyo luma na siya. And then, I bought a power bank from PB Tech earlier. Siya around $23 lang. It's from Xiaomi. 10,000 mana. And it's color blue. Plus, it's got a built-in, anong tawag dito ba? Built-in charger cord for Type-C, since yung phone ko Type-C naman, tapos yung DJI Type-C din, so it works well. This is our first time to bake together, so we'll see how it goes. We'll do a triple chocolate bito with caramel fudge. Caramel fudge! Don't judge us because this is just our first time. We're not a bakerist. Plus, a little challenge, we don't have the metal thing to mold your, the cake. I'm not hungry yet. Okay, starting with the flour.
Flour. Ano ka?
Flour.
Ah, sabi ko na flour. Flour.
Flour. Flour.
2.5 cups.
Can I try?
1.5.
Isang ka.
1.5 lang.
1 and 1 teaspoon. Guys, I am mixing.
Mix this well. Set this aside. Couple brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Oh, ganda. For the eggs. 1. Malamig yung sour cream.
Sir. Luto. O yan, tsaka mo na ilagay kasi wala na mga powder.
Sige po.
Para mag-loosen
Ano?
up.
Maluluto yung itlog. Ay, init ha.
Kita mo naman ako si...
Yun.
Tada!
Dali na.
Ito yung
Ano ba
una,
sabi?
ito yung maganda.
Sarap ko po yun. Meron ako.
Pwede na tong cake.
Meron ako.
Luto kaya ang loob niya.
Ito.
Ito, moist lang. Feel ko ganyan din yung isa.
Tatapasin po natin yung ilalim.
Hindi na.
Tatapasin po natin. Ang ilang yung gusto ko guys.
Oo, dami. Isang kamali-mali. Hindi na ano. Wala kasi kayo yung... Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.